Hi Virgo, it's Julia with Virgo Nation here to do your love reading. I hope you're doing great, sending you much love. If you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please do. Hit your notification bell to all, so that way you'll be notified every time I upload videos every day, 7 days a week. If you're looking for a live tarot card reading from my psychics or tarot card readers, just call up the toll-free numbers for the USA, UK, Canada, or India and say, I am special. Yes, Virgo, you are. And you have to say it to get your reading discounted. And that's going on between now and the end of the month. If you want a personal love reading with me, you can book it through my website and pay for it there at www.heartpassiontarot.com. All the readings are discounted there as well. All right, Virgo. Everything else that you need is listed down below in the description box. All right, Virgo. Let's see what we've got. I call upon the divine. I call upon my angels from all four corners of the universe. I call upon the Holy Spirit to come into this reading for Virgo and their person. For Virgo and their person, please, when it comes to love. Thank you. That goes there. This is here. Oh, we have two cards there. Yeah? Okay. For Virgo and their person, please. Thank you. I'll tell you all the signs. I'll show you the cards. Don't worry. Let me just get them down right now. I love you, Virgo. For Virgo, please. For Virgo. For Virgo. 3 more, Virgo, and we'll be ready to go. For Virgo, please, in regards to their love life. Oh, we have a card that overturned. Star. 2 more, Virgo. We got them. All right. So, on the bottom of the deck, you've got the Wheel of Fortune. I love that. So, you're headed towards whatever you need to head towards here. Wow. Okay. So we see here that because of this heartache that you've experienced, and you have good karma, Virgo, in your life, you've got this brand new beginning that's going to bring you a lot of happiness, a lot. Okay? You may be relocating, you may be working here, I don't know, but I see something really beautiful here. I see the 10 of Pentacles here, and you walking away from your past. Let's see what's going to happen here. Signs I'm seeing are Leo, Sagittarius, and Aries, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. We also have Taurus, Libra, Aquarius, Leo. Sorry, I may repeat some of these, excuse me. Virgo, Taurus, and Capricorn, Libra, Gemini, and Aquarius. Alright, so in the center of your read, we have the 4 of Cups to the 2 of Cups. So I feel I have 2 people here that love each other, and they're just kind of waiting around for one person to offer a cup of love. It's been going back and forth for the longest time. And the 2 of you actually love each other with the 2 of Cups. You're actual soulmates. It's kind of like, I feel like when one person is in, the other person's not. When the other person is in, the other one is not. It's kind of that thing. I feel, Virgo, that in the recent past, somebody here may have pushed you away. The 7 of Wands. Maybe you spoke some kind of truth here, Virgo. I see you here, showing up as the Empress. Okay? I see you working really hard. I see you moving forward, going towards a new beginning and trying to find your happiness. And maybe it was with this person, but there was not an equal give and take. And I feel, Virgo, here you are. I feel you said, you know what? No, I'm not playing this game anymore. And you may have served justice on this person, and now this person's all up in their head, wanting to be with you, feeling kind of betrayed by you. But you know what? They did it, right? They kept, you felt like this person was playing games with you, you know, and you were just like, you know what? I'm not doing this anymore. It's enough. The Two of Wands is here. So clearly right now somebody is making a decision. You pulled your energy away from this person. It's like, okay, well, if you don't know what you want, I'm not going to sit here. And you know this person loves you. That's what the crazy part is. You know they're crazy about you. And you can't figure out what the heck is going on, and it's making you nuts. But what you don't know is somebody's actually making a decision about you here. Look at this. And they're going to reach out to talk to you because you're making them crazy by not talking to them. It may have been a couple of days already. The Two of Wands. The Two of Wands. You're not going to reach out anymore unless this person reaches out to you. You just... Someone is going to give you some kind of communication that's going to really surprise you, Virgo. You were not expecting it. Somebody may be proposing marriage to you, or wanting to build with you, or a commitment from you. Tell me about this Two of Wands. But that's because you pulled back your energies. Someone's manifesting you. Tell me why the Seven of Cups is here for Virgo. Why is the Seven of Cups here for Virgo? Here you are, Virgo. Okay, so this is presented to you, and I feel the immediate thing is your fear that this may not be real, that this is all an illusion. But I'm telling you, you could be really, really happy and have a brand new beginning here, Virgo. Let's see what else. Messages are coming out from Spirit here. It's going to make you really, really happy, but you have to have the strength to leave your past behind, or somebody does. Okay, but you're going to be surprised. Somebody wants to come together with you here. What else about this? What I just talked about, angels. What else can you add to this, please? Walk away from what's happening. Oh, okay. It could be your person that's deciding to leave behind where they're from and come to you. Everything is hidden right now. Could be around the 18th. It's all about divine timing here. The Lovers on the bottom of the deck. An apology. Someone knows they weren't acting right and they want a new beginning with you. Okay, the Hierophant is here, the Fool is here, the Hermit is here, the Nine of Pentacles is here. But you've got your wall up when it comes to your wish fulfillment, possibly with a Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces. The Ace of Cups is here. There is love here. You may be looking at everything that went wrong with a Scorpio, but some truths are going to be spoken here. The High Priestess that's hidden from you. Why is the High Priestess here? Why is the High Priestess here? The High Priestess is clarified by the Six of Pentacles and the Chariot. So you kind of knew at some point this person would be back to give to the connection and move things forward. You knew it. For Virgo. Yeah, you've got the Ten of Pentacles with a Libra, Gemini, or an Aquarius here. Wheel of Fortune. So I feel this person sees you as their destiny, and they want to fight for this connection. The Queen of Pentacles with the Ace of Wands. So Virgo, it looks like this person doesn't want to let you go. This person has been at crossroads for the longest time, this King of Cups. They have sleepless nights over you. Look, now you're showing up as the King of Pentacles. And this is what's going on. This person knows they have to leave their past behind if they're going to come be with you. There's a distance between the two of you. The World. Why is the World here? It's a brand new chapter for you in the near future, Virgo. The Empress. The Tower. Again, this surprise, this new chapter in your life. What is it? Tower, please. Why is the Tower here for Virgo? Got an apology coming for Virgo, please. Why is the World here? Someone's been dying to talk to you. This person doesn't want to lose you at all. They want a victory. You may not see eye to eye with this person. This person watches you all the time. They want a new beginning. They want a reconciliation. It's your Emperor. He's at a distance from you. He wants to work on things with you. So we have the Emperor and the Empress, folks. Here, again. You guys match each other. Work, finances, stability. Tell me why the World is here. Give me more information. What does this Emperor want? This Emperor feels like he missed an opportunity with you. He's all up in his head about the connection. What does he truly want from my Virgos? What does he truly want from my Virgos? He wants to come in like the Knight of Swords. He wants a passionate brand new beginning. What does this Emperor want from my Virgos? He's making a decision of whether or not he should leave his past behind. Virgo. About whether or not he should come towards you. The Two of Cups is coming out again with the Queen and the King of Cups. There's been heartache here. I feel you may have decided to take your energies and move them away here and go towards your pentacle. Okay? You've been going back and forth in regards to this person. The crazy thing is that you both love each other. You're both spying on one another. I don't know what's going to happen here in the outcome. Let's see. So you're showing up as the Queen of Wands. Very beautiful, very much in control. Standing in your power. And this is how they view you. But they don't realize that your heart's broken. That you're healing from this whole situation with them. Because they were acting distant. They came on really strong, and then once you showed this person how you felt, then they got scared and they backed off. And you're moving away. They want to come towards you. Oh, cards down, Virgo. There's a transformation that's about to happen here. Cards down. I'm going to try to take them the way they came out, Virgo. So you could be dealing with a fire sign as well, right? So this person may have been healing, and now they're prepared to come to you, right? You have the Four of Wands here, which is a reconciliation, marriage, right? So there may be somebody new coming into your life, but I feel you're having sleepless nights over a Libra, Gemini, or an Aquarius who you consider your wish fulfillment here. We have the King of Pentacles, we have Karma, we have Death, we have the Magician. And now we have the King of Swords. Okay? So there's going to be a rebirth. Because this King of Swords wants his justice. The Star for your person. You guys are coming up as pairs like crazy in this reading. So I'm going to say that I think that you're dealing with a twin flame here. Tell me about the Star, please, for Virgo's person. You're not giving them attention like you used to. And now this person feels left out in the cold. And that's why they want a new beginning. Tell me more about the Star. Tell me more about the Star. Queen of Swords came out in the reverse. This person has a lot of options. They're stuck here. Or maybe it's you, Virgo. Someone's trying to listen to their intuition and is telling them to pull back. Could be you. While they're trying to figure out what they want. The Divine is stepping in here. Patience is needed. There's a lot of sleepless nights. Stressing, looking at pictures, text messages. And then someone's going to send a message. This person's at a distance from you, Virgo. What do they want with Virgo? Yeah, this is King of Swords again. Wants to be known. So there's a lot of, I mean, you both are pining for one another, I'm feeling. Yeah, you see, you're right next to them with the Nine of Pentacles. And what about it? The Chariot. There's movement. What about this King of Swords? What does he want? There could be travel because there's heartache here because of, I don't feel third party situation. I feel there's heartache here because there's distance between the two of you. Okay? But something is about to get resurrected. Cards down. Yes. Somebody's going to show strength and fight for this connection. And then look, we have the Empress with the King of Cups. Someone feels like they missed an opportunity with you. They may have had someone else as well while you were waiting. So something is going to be made right here. Like I said, with the Eight of Wands and the Magician and the Sun and the Queen of Wands here. They're going to come towards you again. They will. I don't know how you're going to be responding. Maybe a little more icy than usual. The Seven of Swords. The Seven of Swords is clarified by the King of Wands, the Ace of Cups, the Two of Cups. So this person does truly love you. Tell me more about the Seven of Swords. Tell me more about the Seven of Swords. The World. Tell me about the World. Tell me about World. Thank you. Thank you. The Eight of Swords, overthinking you, Virgo. This person does come towards you with the Knight of Swords, wanting a reconciliation. Okay? It's not showing me if the two of you can work this out. The Queen of Wands showed up again. The two of you are very passionate about one another. But I'm seeing here that you're going to try to find your strength here. And you may not be accepting this cup because this person may have left you out in the cold. Okay? And it's understood. Your person understands. But they're still going to fight for this connection because they see you as their Empress and they want a brand new beginning. And that's it. So, do as you feel is right for you, Virgo. The Knight of Pentacles and the outcome. Why is the Knight of Pentacles here? The Fool. The Two of Pentacles. I feel somebody does really want to marry you. They want stability with you, but you don't know. Oh, a card overturned. Hold on, Virgo. Yeah, you're holding back. This person is also holding on to you, Virgo. This King of Swords, Queen of Swords, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. They see you as their happiness. The Ace of Wands. They want a brand new beginning. They see you as an empress. Trying to see the dynamics of what's going to happen here later. So this person wants a brand new beginning with you. Okay. It's somebody who you've had a past life with. I feel, Virgo, you're walking away from your past and going towards the sun. Okay? You're starting a brand new chapter in your life. The Ten of Cups. Why is the Ten of Cups here? Ten of Cups is clarified by the Nine of Swords. The Hermit, the Emperor. Tell me more. The Three of Cups, which is a reconciliation. The Eight of Pentacles. The King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. The Eight of Wands, towards the Queen of Wands, which I believe is you. Yeah, you no longer want to carry this burden. You're tired. You're tired. This person is coming in to offer you love. It's your decision. You're going to be at crossroads about this, Aquarius, if you want to start up again or not. So, what is Virgo going to do in regards to the star? And then we'll end the reading here. Okay. The Knight of Pentacles, which is you. The Knight of Swords. Going forward. I feel you're getting married. You're getting married and you're getting a proposal here. Because, you know, if I look at this, right, you guys match up each other on all levels. You're the Queen and the King of Pentacles. You're the King and the Queen of Cups. You're the Emperor and the Empress in this reading. Okay, somebody's been spying on you like crazy, and their only wish is to be married, have a reconciliation. You are their wish fulfillment here. Okay? Fear is in the way here when it comes towards your destiny with this King of Wands. The Tower is here. You're going to be proposed to, Virgo. That's what's in the outcome. Okay? So, get ready. So I feel this cat and mouse game that's going on right now is going to end up in a marriage at the end, if you want it, of course. Alright, Virgo, that's what I have for you. I hope you enjoyed this. Sending you much love and many blessings, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Loving kisses. Be safe.